Welcome to this new video. This video is regarding advanced evaluate DAX score review. Of course, we have seen evaluate DAX score review in the previous video. If you haven't seen that, you can go to the previous video and you can select it, or you can select it from the tutorials which is listed in the description of this video. So in this advanced DAX evaluate function, we will be seeing basically three functions. One is add columns, then we will use the variables, and then we will be using another function, TOPN function. So basically we are going to get the top 5 products along with the total sales. So you can see the product name is in one table. It is in the dimension table, and the total sales you can see that is with respect to the total sales is the measure. So you can go to the DAX score review. Here first we will do the add column function. So basically the add column function is used to add a column to an existing table, or you can use the value function to create a new table with that. So we will use the value function. So you can write it as evaluate add column, and we need the table name. Table name we will give it as values function, and we will use the product name. So you can see the product. You need to get the product name. So we will use the values function, and then we will give the product name, and we need to get the total sales. So we will give the name it as total sales, and we will give the measure for total sales, and we will run and see. Yeah, we got the product name and the corresponding total sales for that. So next we will see which are the top 5 products with respect to the total sales. So we can use TOPN function. So we will use evaluate TOPN, and the number we are going to give is top 5, and the table will be product table. So that is the dim product table, and we need the expression is total sales, and we need to get it in a descending way order. So descending order only we will be getting the top 5. So we will run it, and we got the top 5. The problem is we are not getting the total sales. So we need to attach total sales also to this column. So how you can attach is you can do the add column function, and you can attach the total sales also here. So for that we can use it in a good way. So we will be using the where variable. So we can use evaluate, then we will use where variable top 5 equals to TOPN, and we will give the value as 5, same product table, and then we will give it as total sales and with descending. Then we will return this function, and on the main function we will use it as add columns, and first we need to give the table. This table we can give this top variable as the table. So we have stored this top 5 TOPN inside this variable, so it can be act as a table. So we can give it as top, and then we will add the additional name total sales, and we will give the measure also for total sales. And now we will check and see. Yeah, we got the top 5 products, and we got the total sales also. So in this way you can select and test the top product, top selling product, maximum count of a product, or the customer who has bought this topmost product, or the customer who has bought the topmost, who is having the topmost sales. So you can test all these things through these kind of DAX functions. So hope this was a valuable one. Have a nice day.